Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my Sephora sale product recommendations. When I was thinking about filming this video, I thought I'll talk about all of my Farmacy favorites like the 10% niacinamide mask. And then I went and I saw my spring Sephora sale beauty recs, and that was one of the products I talked about in that video. So if you would like to see that product recommendation video, I will link that up above. Maybe you want to see this one first. I still have a pretty healthy amount of products to share with you all today. I wanted to keep this list kind of short and perhaps looking forward to cooler, colder, kind of drier months here. Before we begin, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Thank you all so much for all of the comments that you have been leaving on my videos. That really helps the algorithm. So let's start. I do have two serum recommendations and they are both niacinamide based serums. I will try to link anything that I have reviewed on my channel down below in the bottom bar for you all for quick access in case you would like a deeper dive into each of these products. So first I have the Paula's Choice Niacinamide 10% treatment with acetylglucosamine and purslane. This is perfect for all skin types. And then I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops for ultimate glow and brightening. So these are the two kind of serum recommendations I have for you. Along the same vein, the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos, the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow are excellent. Even the Drunk Elephant Sea Firma Fresh, highly recommended. So this is what I have been using on a daily basis recently. And I have been loving it. The differences between this and the Watermelon Glow, I feel like Watermelon Glow is more of a multi-use product. You can mix her in with your foundation. You can put her on the highest points of the cheeks for that glow. You can use it under makeup for an incredible dewy, luminous look to the skin. And I feel like this is definitely for those who have built tolerance to niacinamide. Sometimes too much niacinamide can cause some irritation. So perhaps if you just want to add 1 or 2 drops to your moisturizer, that's how I would or could recommend that you use this. I like to use 3 drops over the face and I'm good to go. I feel like with this product, I noticed some softening, some textural softening here along my chin. The pores here along my cheeks looked a lot smaller. Forehead, of course, looks amazing. And this, I think I got a question on this recently as to whether or not it's sticky. And to me, it doesn't feel sticky. Once I apply a moisturizer to some of these sticky serums, it's no longer sticky. Right now, it does feel sticky to me. Something that definitely feels sticky to me is Sea Firma Fresh by Drunk Elephant. That's probably one of the stickiest serums I own, but still one I love and would recommend if you can tolerate vitamin C and enzymes. So here we have Paula's Choice. And then here we have the Glow Recipe. This one is, of course, still kind of drying. Sorry if you can hear the dogs. They are not our dogs. Our dog is right here. It's neighbor's dogs. But I highly recommend both of these. Again, if you can tolerate a higher percentage of niacinamide serum, Paula's Choice is the way to go. If you are more of a makeup wearer dealing with dull skin, Dewdrops is the way to go. I'll let you know in a bit which one is more sticky. This is a newer product to my collection, but this is the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So this combines 4 different types of hyaluronic acid with some oils, which is why you can see the separation here. And I am wearing that underneath my makeup today. Really enjoy the glow that this gives my skin. Even underneath the foundation, you can just kind of see and enjoy the glow. I love Merit beauty products, their makeup products. Their packaging is absolutely stunning. And I can definitely see this great skin serum going a long way. So I'm going to shake this up. Again, everything will be linked down below for you. I'm going to use... see how this kind of goes all over the place. I'll show you just how. Okay, it just went everywhere. But it just has a really nice non-sticky feel. So if you're dealing with dull, dry, dehydrated skin and you can tolerate oils on the skin, this is a great product rec for you. So that is what that looks like on the back of my hand here. This is not sticky. Okay, so now the Paula's Choice feels slightly tacky. Glow Serum, slightly tacky too. I feel like they both kind of feel about the same for me, but the glow factor is definitely more present in Watermelon Glow. I feel like if you are more of a treatment kind of person, and you are definitely dealing with those enlarged pores, textured skin, and need some help with some brightening and evening of your tone, the Paula's Choice is definitely the way to go. But if you are just dealing with that dull, lackluster skin, and you also need some help with pore size, transepidermal water loss, Watermelon Glow is the way to go. But just look at this glow from the Merit product as well. It's kind of natural, a little bit understated here on the back of my hand, especially when you compare it to Watermelon Glow. But once you apply it on the face, especially if you have just recently chemically exfoliated your skin, it's gonna look very, very lovely. For sunscreen, I will recommend, I'm not sure if this was launched during that spring Sephora sale, but I do have the Summer Fridays Shade Drops Broad Spectrum SPF 30. This SPF has been just absolutely divine for my normal skin during spring and summer. It was a go-to. Highly, highly recommend this on normal, combo, and oily skin types. It's very kind of lightweight. It's a lotion. It's beautiful, beautiful formula. I'll just apply it over the Paula's Choice serum. It has been a go-to. It's just so delicious on the skin, and it works beautifully over different serums, and it has worked beautifully over my Kosas foundation, which is also a recommendation. I'll just talk about it right now. The Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. I picked up the shade 5, which is, I think, excellent right now that I am wearing Self Tanner. I highly recommend this. Lightweight, very easy to use with other cream-based and powder-based products. Sheer, very sheer wash of color. You're not going to get much coverage from this, but it does just very nicely warms up the skin. This is the type of packaging that we're dealing with, a dropper. I typically like to use this with my hands. Another Summer Fridays product is the Heavenly 16 All-in-One Face Oil. I'm currently testing another face oil here, but I use this throughout spring and summer. This is divine. This is not going to further congest your skin, but it's a lovely blend of oils that are going to nourish, encourage healing on the skin, and just comfort and condition the skin, especially if you live in drier, cooler climates. highly, highly recommend this oil. Another kind of rich product that I would want to, or that I recommend, is the Drunk Elephant Wonder Wild Miracle Butter. I will link my review to this up above. Recently, I have been using this as a hand kind of nourishing treatment overnight and as a lip balm product. I do use this for slugging and whenever my skin becomes environmentally stressed or dehydrated. I think it's a great multi-purpose product and something to have, especially if you're like me and you work with your hands and they just get tired and need some nourishing love at night. Highly recommend this. Again, another new thing, another new find. This is the House Laboratories Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. This is what I am wearing on the skin today. I am wearing the shade 300 medium neutral, and it is definitely my kind of self tanner shade. Obsessed. I love using this with a beauty blender. It's a natural finish foundation with medium coverage, and it has just been a pleasure using this. So if you're in the market for a new foundation, Lord only knows I was not in the market for a new foundation. I had just opened up a new unit of my Kosas foundation, but I swatched this and I immediately fell in love. So if you're in the market for a new foundation, I highly, highly recommend that one. And actually like the packaging here as well. Very understated. I'll also recommend the Merit lipsticks. I have the shade Slip, and today I am wearing the shade Baby. It's kind of like a balmy lip, but this is Baby and this is Slip. Today I am wearing Baby with the taupe lip gloss, and it's been my combo of choice recently. Obsessed with these Merit lip products. I may actually pick up the shade Cabo during the sale myself. Absolutely love the lip formula and the lip oil as well. I do also want to share some Benefit blushes that I have loved. I will link my Benefit blush swatch video up above for you in case you missed it and would love to see more swatches. You can tell that this shade has been well loved here. You can barely even see the name on it, but this is the shade Sunny. This is a warm coral blush. Hopefully it will show up here. And then Pom Pom, I am wearing that on my cheek space today. Looks like that. And then the shade Willa, which looks like that. This has been very well loved as well. Willa is a soft neutral rose. And that is what she looks like. So if you're in the market for blushes, I have Sunny, Pom Pom, and Willa right over here. Highly, highly recommend the Benefit blushes for you. I feel like they're just very beautiful formulas, soft, lots of color payoff. Love them, love. So these are my picks. If you are in the market for a new blush, new foundation. And I've also worn these blushes with a skin tint and absolutely no complaints. They work beautifully together, and then you can add more blush, of course. So I would start light and then just kind of build on the color that you have. Anything by Farmacy, I recommend their retinol serum. Honeymoon Glow, highly recommend. If you lean on the drier, dehydrated, kind of chapped skin, I highly recommend their Ceramide Moisturizer. It's one of the thickest moisturizers that I have in my collection. That's definitely not built for or created or developed for my normal skin, but I feel like if at any point I need that deep, nourishing hydration, that would be a go-to. Drunk Elephant as well, TLC Framboos. Recently, I have been revisiting Baby Facial, another beautiful, lovely, pro-level results type of exfoliating mask. I have been using that either every Sunday or every Monday before I do my self-tan. I have absolutely been loving that product. Sephora Fresh as well, highly recommended. And these are kind of rapid fire recs because I feel like I've discussed those in different videos, different recommendation videos. So that's why I am tossing these at the very end, but still products that I stand by, still use, and would recommend, especially if you're new here on my channel. So I think that is all I have. Let me know what you will be picking up during the fall Sephora sales event in the comments down below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Again, I will link anything that I have reviewed here on my channel before. I will be sure to link it for you down below, so that way you can have quick access to those product reviews in case you are or have any of these on your loves list or your cart. So I will see you in my next video. Happy shopping, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I am running out of battery here.